Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top CSGO VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your CSGO bot lobby sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for CSGO bot lobbies? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get booted from a bot lobby with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep track of which servers you hop into. But where they really differ, that's what matters for CSGO bot lobbies. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for CSGO bot lobbies because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another awesome feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites, loaded with tracker scams or fake game hacks, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends and create your own custom lobbies for practice. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at once. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, console, and phone all at the same time. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any techie CSGO player can inspect their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been put to the test. Then there's IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and runs its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their gear, which means more stable connections for your CSGO bot lobby sessions. And for players dealing with laggy servers, it offers a SOX 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your game traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for CSGO bot lobbies? NordVPN takes the crown in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother gameplay. IPVanish is a close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests showed its performance can vary, with ping spiking depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if low ping is your top priority, you can't stand lag during bot lobby practice, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Choose IPVanish if you have a ton of devices or a whole crew grinding bot lobbies. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused CSGO player who needs proof to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are honestly unique. And that's it, we're out of time. So if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for your CSGO bot lobby sessions. See you soon.